Welcome to another exciting episode of The Forest People. Worldwide, the generally accepted calendar is called the Gregorian calendar. Pre-colonial era, the Igbos had a way they calculated their days, their weeks, months, and years. So let's talk about it. The Igbos believe that there are 4 days that makes a week. Ụbọchị anọ that makes otu izu ụka. But for the Gregorian calendar, there are 7 days that makes a week. The Igbos believe those 4 days that make a week are Eke, Ore, Afọ, and Nkwo. The 4 days that makes a week, otu izu ụka. But for the Gregorian calendar, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, down to Sunday. For the weeks, the Igbos believe that 7 weeks make a month, which is Izuka Asa that makes otu onwa. Onwa means month, Izuka means weeks. So Izuka Asa that makes otu onwa. For the Gregorian calendar, 4 weeks make a month. For the months, the Igbos believe that 13 months makes 1 year. Onwa iri na atọ that makes otu afọ. That means 13 months that makes 1 year. But in the Gregorian calendar, we have 12 months that makes a year. Going forward, we have a question for you, our fans. Amongst the 4 days, Eke, Ore, Nkwo, and Afọ, which among these 4 days is held sacred by the Igbos? Which amongst these 4 days is excluded from all marital activities amongst the Igbos? We'd love to hear your response. Thank you.